Today I will start mean value theorem. First, Rolle's theorem. If fx be a real valued function defined in the closed interval ab, that is, suppose a less than equal to x less than equal to b, that is called closed interval, such that number 1, it is continuous in closed interval ab. Number 2, it is differentiable in open interval ab. Third, fa equal to fb, then there exists at least one value c belongs to ab such that f dot c equal to 0. Now it is illustrated by the diagram. Now this is the diagram. This is a, b and c. fa equal to fb, this is x axis, this is y axis. Now this is the tangent. Now this is the notation of there exist such that f dot c equal to 0. F dot c 0 means tangent at c is parallel to x axis. That is it. This is the x axis, this is the tangent. So tangent at c is parallel to x axis. Now the application of Rolle's theorem. First example is verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx equal to x square plus twice x minus 8 belongs to minus 4, 2. Now, since it is now the solution, since a polynomial function is everywhere differentiable, so it is continuous also. Therefore, number 1, fx is continuous on minus 4, 2 as per Rolle's theorem. Number 2, fx is differentiable in 4 minus 2, that is the second condition. And now f minus 4 equal to what? 0. And f2 equal to what? f2 equal to 0. Then f minus 4 equal to f2, that is the third condition, fa equal to fb. Now all the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. Now we have to show that there exists some c belongs to minus 4, 2 such that f dot c equal to 0. We have fx equal to x square plus 2x minus 8, f dot x equal to 2x plus 2. Now f dot c equal to 2c plus 2. Now f dot c 0 gives what? 2c plus 2 equal to 0. Then c equal to minus 1 belongs to minus 4, 2. Hence Rolle's theorem verified. Now the second example. Verify the applicability of Rolle's theorem for the following. Suppose fx equal to sin 2x 0, pi by 2. Solution, we have fx equal to sin 2x, x belongs to 0, pi by 2. Number 1 condition, since the function is continuous for every x belongs to R, so fx is continuous in 0, pi by 2. Number 2, fx equal to sin 2x, then f dot x equal to 2 cos 2x. Therefore fx is differentiable in 0, 2. Now 0, pi by 2. Then f0 equal to sin 2 into 0, that is equal to 0. That is f pi by 2 equal to sin 2 into pi by 2, that is sin pi, that is equal to 0. Thus all the conditions of Rolle's theorem are verified. So there exists at least a real value c belongs to 0, pi by 2 such that f dot c equal to 0. We have fx equal to sin 2x, therefore f dot x equal to 2 cos 2x, therefore f dot c equal to 2 cos 2c. Now f dot c equal to 0 gives 2 cos 2c equal to 0. Now 2 cos 2c equal to 0. Now cos 2c equal to cos pi by 2, that is 2c equal to pi by 2, that is c equal to pi by 4, that is belongs to 0, pi by 2. So the Rolle's theorem is verified.